folks, welcome back. Tell you what, another midweek cook, guys. Holiday, I'm filming this the day after Halloween, so with the holiday and the weather, I didn't do any filming over the weekend, so I'm gonna bring you a short little cook tonight. It's kind of special though. Do some bacon cheeseburgers, except I'm gonna use a Porter Road product, and this is 1 pound of dray ground beef, and I'm kind of anxious to see what it tastes like. So let's get this going, guys. Okay guys, I got three about a 1/3 pound balls here, and I'm just going to pre-smash these out. Look at there. Beautimous, beautimous, beautimous. And I'll just cut these out in individual little pieces. With this dry aged beef, ground up into ground beef, I want to taste more of the beef in this. So I am going to hit this with just a little salt, pepper, garlic, but that's about all we're going to use, guys. Real light. I'll season the other side when we're on the grill. It's kind of overcast, so I'm losing some daylight, so we're going to try to push this a little bit. Cut these in square. Mama fried up some bacon over here, got it off to the side. It's gonna be a little bacon cheeseburger, guys. Oh, but one little piece. I'm gonna call this thing good. Probably got too much pepper, to be honest with you. I know I did. It's okay. We'll just make a little bit bigger cooking area. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, that's what we wanted. This up to temp. Alright guys, let's get this thing going. Right on there. More there. Squeeze one in right there. Scoop, if I may. And right there. Just a little seasoning on the other side. Good, I don't want this real heavy. I'll be back in about 4 or 5 minutes. Oh yeah, let's give these guys a flip. Oh yeah. Looking good. Another few minutes, we'll be pulling these off the heat. There you go. I'm gonna take a look at these. I'm sure we are. There's no doubt in my mind. I'm gonna pull these off the direct heat. What charcoals I used don't have a lot of room over there. This is some. I always say it wrong. Mama laughs at me. Moisture cheese. Moisture. I don't know. It's just really good. I buy it when I can find it. It's on here. I'm gonna shut her all down. Just let this cheese melt. In just a minute, we'll come back out and pull her off and make us a burger. Alright guys, this is just a standard white bun we had around here. And I'm just gonna do a little mayonnaise on the bottom bun. We'll come in here with burger number 1. The moisture cheese, I always say it wrong. Couple slices of bacon here. In here with burger number 2. That's what I'm talking about. just because we're here, let's throw some more bacon on this bad boy. I don't think there's enough. Keeping this pretty simple, just some yellow mustard right on top. Top that bad boy. Or you can get some chips on the side. Now this, folks, is a double bacon cheeseburger. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all that in my mouth, but we're gonna try. That is good. That moisture cheese, it gives it a different flavor for sure than your standard cheeseburger. I'm gonna come in here and just break off a piece of this meat. There might be a little cheese on there. I want to taste that dray by itself. That is just I only use salt, pepper, garlic on this just to season it. But it just tastes fresher from what you buy in the store. I don't know how to describe that. But I like it, guys. Pulled a roll. And of course that Prime 6 charcoal did its job as always. Burned hot, nice 500-degree fire on there to cook this on. Again, Prime 6 charcoal, promo code KEN10 will get you 10% off your order. So guys, this is delicious. A nice little quick meal during the week. We do this once in a while, and guys, thanks as always, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless you, folks.